In this lesson, we are going to take a look at how we can quickly find the XY coordinates of a point using the ID command. The ID command is located on the Home tab in the Utilities panel. You actually have to click the drop-down under Utilities to access it. Here you will find ID point. You can also type ID, then press Enter at your keyboard. After selecting ID point, all you have to do is use your object snaps to click on any point. So I'll click on a point and take a look at my command line, and it gives me the XY coordinates of the point, in this case 6, 6. So again, if you can snap to a point, you can find its XY coordinates. So I'll do this one more time. This time I'll find the XY coordinates of the center of this circle. And again, after clicking it, I can see that XY coordinate value in the command line. That concludes this look at the ID command in AutoCAD.